Hello and welcome to Crypto TV. This is Manoj Dara. So investors in Ethereum and its troubled twin stake Ethereum are nervously anticipating a crypto milestone, the merge. That's the name for a major upgrade of the Ethereum's blockchain network upon which many crypto projects are built, aimed at making it leaner, meaner and cleaner. To explain the entire stake Ethereum episode, we have invited Vivek Singh from Crypto University. Vivek, welcome on Crypto TV.
Thanks, Manoj.
So विवेक, अगर आप हमारे व्यूअर्स को बता दें कि ये स्टेक इथेरियम सबसे पहले है क्या और उसका यूज कभी होने वाला है और क्या कौन से पर्पस के लिए इसका ऑब्जेक्टिव है, जहां पर इसका एक व्हाट यू कॉल कितने साल पहले इसका जन्म हुआ था स्टेक इथेरियम का, आप ये सारी इंफॉर्मेशन हमारे व्यूअर्स को बताएं.
Okay, so stake ether is basically ether only, but different form of ether, which is staked on beacon chain. So अभी stake ether stake क्यों किया गया है? पहली बात तो because Ethereum merge जो होगा proof of work to proof of stake जाएगा.
Alright.
In that case you will require a lot of Ethereum in that case because it is moving to proof of stake. Proof of stake का मॉडल क्या पूरा स्टेकिंग के ऊपर ही चलता है. Where it does need to stake cryptocurrency, that is stake ether.
तो उसका मतलब ये है कि प्रूफ ऑफ वर्क जो प्रोसेस था उसमें इथेरियम का से सारी एक्टिविटीज लिंक थी और जो प्रूफ ऑफ स्टेक है उसमें स्टेक्ड इथेरियम लिंक्ड है इसमें.
करेक्ट. और स्टेकिंग होता क्या है एक्चुअली? सो स्टेकिंग में अगर एफडी की तरह होता है, यू इन्वेस्ट सम मनी इन एफडी, यू गेट सम इंटरेस्ट, राइट? सो सिमिलरली यू स्टेक सम मनी, यू गेट सम इंटरेस्ट इन टर्म्स ऑफ क्रिप्टो करेंसी. इसमें क्या क्रिप्टो करेंसी में आपको इंटरेस्ट मिलता है.
तो कितने इथेरियम आपको रखने पड़ते हैं और कौन रखता है ये सारे?
मिनिमम 32 इथेरियम रखना चाहिए इफ यू वांट टू रन अ वैलिडेटेड नोड फॉर प्रूफ ऑफ स्टेक.
सो यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट माइनर्स.
Yeah, miners. Basically, they are miners, but they are called validators in terms of Ethereum, Ethereum 2.0 language.
So, say for example, if someone deposited 32 Ethereum, और कहाँ पे डिपॉजिट करने पड़ते हैं और कौन सा प्लेटफॉर्म यूज होता है और उसका प्रोसेस कैसा है, विवेक?
So, it's called beacon chain where they have to stake this Ethereum, and it all started about 2 years back. So, some people have initially invested in Ethereum. They have staked some Ether, and I know a lot of people, a lot of whales who have invested good amount of Ethereum, like in this stake Ether. And once the merge is happening, like once the merge happens from proof of work to proof of stake, after about 6 months, they will get this interest.
So इसका correlation कैसा है? Is it since you mentioned about it, there is a correlation between stake Ethereum and the Ethereum. So is it a stable coin? First of all, आप थोड़ा सा इसको explain करें.
See, it is pegged. It is not pegged actually. It is supposed to be pegged 1:1 ratio. So if you look at stake Ether, the price of stake Ether should be exactly same as Ether. Because people have, assumed that it is Ether, they have spent consuming that it is Ether, not staked Ether. But the market scenario is different right now. Yeah.
So basically, since we are talking about a broader concern in the cryptocurrency market, there was actually a fall because of the larger collapse of the Terra Luna episode. Mm-hmm. So how this event has impacted the Ethereum ecosystem? If you can just highlight that.
Okay. So if you look at Terra Luna market, Terra Luna crashed badly. Because of that, the entire market sentiment became negative. And not only Terra Luna, if you see other investors like 3AC like 3AC Capital, 3 Arrow Capitals, like they have also sold a lot of stake Ether. They were holding a lot of stake Ether which they have sold. Then after that, what happened with Celsius. So after all this market, negative moves in the market, it impacted stake Ether so much that now stake Ether is not equivalent to Ether, which is it is supposed to be equivalent to Ether, but it is lesser than Ether.
So जैसे आपने बताया कि यहाँ पर एक ब्रॉडर कंसर्न एज फार एज द टेरा लूना एपिसोड तो हुआ ही है और वहाँ से लेकर सेल्सियस का जो एक बहुत बड़ा एक ब्रॉडर डिफॉल्ट था जहाँ पर उन्होंने विड्रॉल्स उनके कस्टमर्स के अब्रप्टली बंद कर दिए थे. जून 14-15 का एक एपिसोड है और वहाँ से लेकर वी हैव सीन अ ब्रॉडर स्लम्प इन द क्रिप्टो करेंसी मार्केट एंड देन द 3 Arrow एपिसोड हैपेंड एंड देन द बैबल फाइनेंस हैपेंड एंड देन द वॉयजर थिंग हैपेंड एंड देन वॉल्ट जो अभी हम देख रहे हैं यहाँ पर जो एक इंडिया रिलेटेड ट्रेडिंग प्लेटफॉर्म है और लेंडिंग प्लेटफॉर्म भी है. तो वहां पर एक बहुत बड़ा कंसर्न हुआ था. तो उसका कोरिलेशन क्या है स्टेक इथेरियम पे?
ओके, सो इफ यू लुक एट इथेरियम, स्टेक इथेरियम, it is running in 2 markets right now, Lido and Curve Finance. So Lido Curve Finance, it is all depending on market sentiments. If people are positive, the price of stake Ether will go up. If people are negative about it, the price will go down. So because it is trading on Lido and Curve Finance, it is depending on market sentiments. So market sentiments क्या हो गया, negative हो गया.
Exactly.
So इसकी वजह से क्या हो गया, स्टेक ईथर का प्राइस भी नेगेटिव चला गया, मतलब काफ़ी नीचे चला गया compared to what it's supposed to be.
ऑलराइट, तो सिंस जैसे आपने बताया कि सेल्सियस का और 3 Arrow का भी बहुत बड़ा एक एक्सपोजर था इस पे, तो व्हाट वर दे बेटिंग अपॉन, सिंस दे कैन गो अहेड एंड डायरेक्टली हैव इथेरियम, बट आर यू सेइंग दैट कि उनके पास, सिंस दे आर, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट सेल्सियस, सिंस दे सेल्सियस इज अ क्रिप्टो लेंडर, तो क्या आप बता रहे हैं कि उनके पास में इथेरियम थे, उन्होंने वो स्टेक किए और फिर वहां पर उनका एक्सपोजर स्टेक इथेरियम पर भी हो गया?
Yes, actually, these people were the major holders of staked Ethereum. You take example of 3 Arrow Capital, Celsius. These people were holding major amount of Ethereum.
सबसे बड़े holders भी हैं वो stake Ethereum के.
Yeah, they were having a lot of control because these VCs are getting liquidated. Now they have only the option is that they can sell the stake Ether they have. So that's why when they are selling stake Ether, the price is getting impacted.
तो आप बता रहे हैं कि जैसे से फॉर एग्जांपल मार्केट में उनका पोजीशन तो था ही, इथेरियम उन्होंने स्टेक किए, उनके पास स्टेक इथेरियम भी ऑलरेडी उन्होंने उनके पोजीशन पे थे, मार्केट जैसे नीचे आया, रिडेम्पशन प्रेशर के चलते हुए उन्होंने स्टेक इथेरियम बेचा और हेंस डिस्काउंट वाइड हो गया उसमें.
करेक्ट.
ऑलराइट,
बिकॉज लॉट ऑफ सेल ऑफ इज हैपनिंग, तो अब मार्केट में अब जितने भी सेंटीमेंट्स नेगेटिव होंगे और वैल्यू डाउन होगी.
So this is the story which we are trying to explain to our viewers कि ये stake Ethereum, although it is not a stable coin, it is something that is related with Ethereum.
Correct.
और उसका performance क्यों खराब हुआ? बिकॉज वहां पर एक ब्रॉड बेस्ड सेलिंग आई थी मार्केट में और वहां पर उनको रिडेम्पशन प्रेशर्स के चलते हुए स्टेक इथेरियम पर बिकवाली देखने मिली थी. सो since we are talking about the entire ecosystem, can stake Ethereum holders redeem their stake ETH? We are not talking about broad-based institutional investors. जैसे Celsius हुए, 3 Arrow Capital तो आपने बताया ही, लेकिन क्या वो redeem कर सकते हैं नॉर्मल, अगर रिटेल इन्वेस्टर्स अगर उसमें इन्वेस्ट करना चाहे तो? और कहाँ पे ये ट्रेड होगा? If you can just guide that.
Actually, if you look at the protocol, Ethereum protocol, they cannot redeem it until the merge has happened.
All right, okay.
So merge will happen, once the merge happens after 6 months to 12 months period, in that time frame they can redeem it. Before that they cannot redeem it,
sure,
as per the protocol. But what is happening in the market right now? Lido Finance, Curve Finance. So these are the couple of shortcuts, I would say, where they can actually go and redeem these tokens.
Fantastic.
I mean, actual protocol we cannot redeem it, but there are a couple of other ways, like shortcuts are different ways out of the protocol where they can redeem it.
So since you are talking about this and the way forward, can you just give a very quick view on the Ethereum ecosystem? And since the prices have come down from $4,000 level and we have already seen it slipping below $1,000, what is the way forward as far as Ethereum ecosystem is concerned? And will Ethereum ETH will remain after the merge, say for example from proof of work to proof of stake, or will stake Ethereum take this forward for the Ethereum ecosystem?
Okay, see, stake Ethereum is just a reward mechanism. Let's understand that first. And Ethereum will always remain. Even though merge is happening, it will continue to be called as Ethereum. Because Ethereum is something, Vitalik Buterin is very bullish about it.
Right.
And the reason, Vitalik wanted this to move to proof of stake, because he wanted the blockchain which is less energy consuming.
What is the outlook? Maybe on that.
Yeah, he wanted this. Proof of stake, because people will have be better control. It will be better decentralized, at the same time less energy consumption.
One last question before we end this conversation for our viewers. We have already explained what is stake Ethereum, what is the way forward, where you can buy, how it can be redeemed, and steps. So where can one trade if someone wants to trade? So we have already mentioned about how it can be redeemed. You said that it cannot be redeemed in 6 months, but if they want to trade stake Ethereum, so where and how they can do that?
They can easily do it in Curve Finance. Curve Finance is a very good DeFi project. It's very popular DeFi project. They can easily do it in Curve Finance. But if they want to prefer some other platform, Lido Finance is the second choice. So these are two very popular platforms where lot of even investors have bigger investors are VCs are also selling their tokens or coins over there.
Statement from the what you want to make as far as the takeaway from this stake Ether and the problematic kid episode which you are doing for our viewers is concerned.
See, I'm anticipating few more delays in the merge, which is supposed to happen long back. If you look at this, merge was supposed to happen this year, last year, but it's not happening actually. Because why? There are technical challenges. Developers are working on it. Still, they are not able to overcome these technical challenges. I'm expecting, if this merge gets delayed for even 1 year, this is going to impact the price. I mean, there will be huge impact on this price of stake Ether. And I'm expecting the price would go even 50% down if this merge is not happening.
All right, so stake Ether or stake Ethereum is a token that's supposed to be worth the same as Ether, but it is not. But for the past few weeks, it has been trading at a wide discount to the second biggest cryptocurrency, fanning the flames of a liquidity crisis in the crypto market. Thank you so much, Vivek, for being part of this special interaction on Stake Ethereum. It was wonderful having you on Crypto TV.
Thanks, Manoj.
All right, that's all there is in today's episode. Keep watching Crypto TV for more such interesting updates. Thank you.